Hello again. I'm admiring these walnuts that fall from this walnut tree. They're really hard to gather up and open. Really hard. Not just physically hard, but they're difficult. The hardness of the shell makes it very difficult. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. But they are lovely, and I've seen lots of little squirrels and little animals trying to make some sense out of these walnuts, putting them in there, stowing them away. Beautiful, aren't they? I wonder, so walnuts are so expensive in the stores, but this is a different kind of walnut. I think that they're really not. I mean, it's not different because they're the same, but the way they're harvested and dried, I think that's the method that I'm thinking of. The method. They're beautiful. See you again.